Mr. Narendra Sabharwal with us. Okay. So we would like you to tell us the importance of IP for the SME sector in India and how GIPC is helping them, sir.
Well, thank you very much. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. D.R. Agarwal and all the organizers, sponsors, for organizing this very successful conference, getting delegates from India and abroad, and putting together a very rich and varied program dealing with all aspects of intellectual property, which certainly will raise awareness and also build skills in the use of IP. Now, as far as small and medium-sized sector is concerned, I think it is not realized by many people that this sector can be very innovative. In a large number of countries, SME sector is the generator of a lot of innovations and a lot of new ideas. These days, particularly when you have digital technology and other technologies at your command, it does not matter how big you are. It does not matter that you don't have a lot of infrastructure. You should have ideas. You should be able to capitalize on those ideas. And the SMEs are, by their sheer size, they are very flexible. They have inherent strength. They can be very nimble-footed. And therefore, I would say that SMEs can be a big driver of intellectual property in our country. A lot of policies and programs are being run for them, facilitation centers all over the country. Yet, my own experience is that they are working below capacity as far as IP is concerned. And that is where a conference of this kind comes into play, where there are a large number of small and medium-sized enterprises in IP-related matters. They will be getting the right ideas and the right exposure to how they can create IP and then develop it, protect it, and commercialize it, and get economic value. And when these small industries start getting value addition from IP, then their own economic and